What's up, YouTube? This is the Barber Illuminati one more time with another fresh one. In today's video, I have a basic medium skin fade with all detachable blades, of course. Nothing fancy. That's it, really. I got my man D here. He's letting me recording a portion of the haircut. I appreciate that. There you go. As you already know my style, half of the haircut has already been completed. So I just saved the right side to share information with you guys. If you're new to the channel, this is the time that you subscribe. I'm gonna give you a quick preview on the left side of the haircut that's already been completed. This is what we're going to be doing here on the right side. I already completed the lining and everything. I just saved the right side of the haircut to share with you guys my all detachable blade fitting technique. I noticed that all detachable blade haircuts is taking life on YouTube. A lot of these guys really aren't doing all detachable blades, but they're buying a lot of detachable blade clippers, but whatever. But I'm happy about that. However, the Barber Illuminati is responsible for making sure that there's a lot of content on all detachable blades on the internet. So let's get to it. Enough with the talking. Let's go! All right. I'm gonna zoom in a little. This haircut is going to be fast. We're not gonna take all day. I'm hungry. It's about 12:08, January 24th, 2022. I'm excited. By the way, this is my second video of the day. I'm excited. Hopefully I can do 5 of them. My goal is to have 1,000 videos before the year ends. I probably have about 210 so far. I got a lot of videos to make before the year ends, so I got to get to it as much as I can. I'm excited. This video is being recorded at Barber School, LLC in Waukegan, Illinois. We are not hard to find. By the way, I will not be using the shaver on this video. I will not be using the shaver. My man D has somewhat of a sensitive skin. The shaver kind of bump him up a little, so we're gonna skip the shaver. I'm gonna do a little side work, you know, the side burn. Get that out of the way so I can just get to the haircut and move on. Shout out to Big Al's Barbershop. Big Al's is getting down with all the detachable blades. I appreciate that. I saw his video doing all detachable blade challenge. Okay, not bad. But anyway, this is my first guideline. I'm going to be creating my first guideline with my OA blade as usual. There we go. OA blade, Indies blade. Within the OA, I'm going to squeeze in my 000 and 50. Let's go. Now, I just put put down my 000, I mean my 08, this is the 000 into it. Basically I'm going to go right into the space. If you're familiar with watching my videos, you can easily predict what I do. I'm a little bit reluctant right now for going into too much details. I use the same style on all the videos. I hardly ever change the style. Originally I used to do my first guideline with the one blade. I realized it was too complicated, so I reduced my guideline to the 08 blade, and it makes it so much simpler. So this is my 000 into the 08. Then my 50 into the 000. I'm not doing anything new here. Repetition, repetition, the same repetition. Any of you guys learning all detachable blades, it's very important that you consistently follow the system without switching it up. If the system is working, don't switch it up. And you should only follow the Barber Illuminated system. I know there's quite a few copycats on YouTube. I encourage the copycats also. So that lets me know they are being inspired by the Barber Illuminati. I remember when I started this channel in 2005, hardly anybody dared to put all detachable blade haircut on the internet. Hardly any. Now there's quite a few, even though they're not doing it correctly, but it's okay. It's a start. It's a start. It's a start, and I appreciate that. Thanks to the Barber Illuminati. Yes, all these clippers. This one in particular, the Oster Octane I'm using, is being sold out everywhere. By the way, I'm going to be purchasing the Oster Corte 76. I'll be having it by now. I'll probably have it by next week sometime, and I'm gonna use it, unbox it, and do a few fades with it, and let you guys know what I think. And this company is not so smart at all. They don't even send me a free copy. Wow. Unbelievable. But anyway, I'm going to spend my money and buy it. And then I'm going to let you guys know the facts. These companies are not so smart at all. If you want to sell an all-detachable blade clipper, you got to send a free copy to the all-detachable blade king. Wow. They didn't. So, unbelievable. But anyway, I'm going to spend my own money. I'm going to buy that clipper, and I'm going to let you guys know what I think. Yes, all the detachable blade haircuts is still early, but there's more and more people buying those clippers. Not that it benefits me, but hey, that's a start. Barber Illuminati. Alright, before I know it, the circle is almost done here. Basically above my first guideline, which was done with the OA 00050. My second guideline was done with the 1.5 18108. I completed that, so I'm gonna go ahead and smooth out the section above my guideline, make sure it's nice and smooth. And transitioning to the top, nice and smooth. Yes, I had 1.5 on. I'm doing a little bit of cleanup work. I'm not going to go beyond this point here. I'm just making sure it's nice and clean. Going to the section of the reach. So I'm going to do a few tricks to it. By squeezing in the 1.5 slightly. This is very soft. I'm putting on my 1/8 into the 1.5. Nice and smooth. I'm using the Oster Octane, as you can see. The stripper is very loud. They all do the same thing, really. It's just that the piece on the inside right here, I'm not sure what you call this piece, to be honest with you. This piece right here, it's made out of hard plastic. Plastic vibrating against metal. Of course, it's gonna go out of whack quick. And once the plastic piece begin to wear off, the clipper get loud. And they all pretty much do the same thing. It doesn't matter which clipper you use, whether it's Indies brand or Indies or Oster or what's the other one? Hey, you know what? I never used wall cordless all these detachable blade clippers. Never. Maybe I have to give them a try. But no one sent me a free clipper yet. I don't know what they're waiting on. Hey, clipper companies, I'm talking to you. If you want to go platinum, you got to send me a free clipper. It's just the bottom line. I'm the Barber Illuminati. I don't see what I'm paying for. I have to pay for clippers, especially all detachable blade clippers. What's wrong with you people? All right, YouTube, this is the cut. I'm gonna do a quick spin. After that, we're gonna get out of here. I think it's about lunchtime for me. My man in the background is Chris Cuts, putting in work. There he go. You like my shadow right now? Yeah, you're all over YouTube, I'm telling you. But anyway, we're gonna do a quick spin for you guys to see the entire work. After that, I'm going to lunch. I left my lunch at home this morning, so I'm going to have to buy something to eat. But anyway, all right, YouTube, this is the cut. I'm going to do a quick spin. Then we're going to get out of here. This is D's day off. I don't want to take up too much of his time, you know. Let's do a little quick spin here. Then we're going to get out of here. If you see Chris in the shadow, I'm going to zoom him out. All right, there we go. This haircut was done with 100% all detachable blades. This is the Barber Illuminati. I've been on YouTube since 2017. So far, I have over 200 haircuts under my belt. I'm going for 1,000. Barber Illuminati.